Hey, Dad, let's shoot that stump up there, but let's hit it at the same time.
Okay.
Like, I'll shoot with a 30-06 and you with the 50.
A 50, all right.
Yeah, we'll see what it does.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds like a plan.
Oh, man, I just realized I forgot to put my ear protection on.
You might need them.
Yeah, let me go get my ears.
Not a bad idea.
I think that thing's pretty loud, isn't it?
You could say that.
Okay, let me go get that.
I might go ahead and take a shot.
All right, yeah, go ahead.
Oh, John, good thing you didn't stay here. Wow. So, as you can see, it might not be a good idea to have a 50 caliber going off right beside you. If you've never been around a muzzle brake, it only takes one experience to realize a lot of blast, whether it's a 50 or a 300 Win Mag or a 5.56. So you always want to be safe. Stay away from those things and not be close to the muzzle anyway when somebody else is shooting. Just not a wise idea. Life is good.